Hello, and thank you for joining us today for this tutorial video on how to install and use your VX520 credit card terminal. This is the equipment that should have arrived in the box: your pin pad, the VX520 itself, your power cable, a phone line, and the paper roll. Some of you may not have received the VX805 pin pad. If that's the case, you could ignore those parts of this video. With the VX520, everything plugs in on the back of the credit card terminal. There's a little panel back here that pops open and reveals where everything goes. The RS-232 port is where you're going to plug in your pin pad. The ETH port is going to be where you plug in your Ethernet cable. The phone is where you plug in your phone line. And then the lightning bolt is where you'll plug in your power. So we'll go ahead and get this all installed right now. Once everything's plugged in, it'll take you to the COM server credit debit EMV screen. At this point, you'll want to make sure your time and date are correct, and you'll also want to load the paper in. You'll do that by pressing this little flap up and open. You'll take your paper roll, take an inch or so off, and it goes in like this. And then you can tear it off. Once the paper's loaded, you'll hit the credit debit EMV key, which should be F3. It'll activate the app and take you to this screen. This is your normal sales screen for this credit card machine: sale, phone order, and check. To run a sale, you'll want to press the button next to sale. It should be F2. And then it will ask for the amount. The amount we'll do today is $1. If you need to backspace, you use the yellow key to backspace. It will ask you to confirm the amount, yes or no, so go ahead and say yes right now. And then it will take you to your card entry or account number. So if you have a card there, you can swipe it. If it is one of the new chip cards though, you'll want to slide it into the slot at the bottom of the credit card machine. Otherwise, you can type in a card number as well, say it's a phone order or something like that. For right now though, we're going to use a chip card. You slide it in all the way until you hear it click. It'll give you the customer's information and then start dialing. It will say it's declined, and then it'll print out your receipt. You just tear off the receipt. And normally on an approved sale, it will print out 2 copies of the receipt, one for you and one for the customer. So that's how you run sales on your credit card machine.